In our state, from the year 1995 up to the year 2014, a total of 34,436 murders has been happened. For each murder, religion, community, politics, love, illicit relationship, rowdyism, property issues, business enmity, and lot of reasons more. The culprits who are behind these murders are inside jail now. Some culprits have already died. But without knowing the actual reason of the murder, more than 50% of the murder cases have not been solved. When you go deep into the matter, the most shocking feeling is that those who have died did not know for what they have died. A murderer doesn't know for what reason he is doing this crime. The main aim is money alone. Every crime was done just for money alone. Strange point is that bad people are not alone behind these kind of activities. Good people who think we should always be safe, they are also the culprits. You, the democratic people, also have that feel. It should be destroyed completely. So, think. Oh Lord, Lord. Crime should increase, theft should improve, robbery should develop, then alone I can increase my income and I will contribute to you also, my dear, oh Lord. Save me alone.
Stop praying now. I told you to buy 5 crowns near my father's place. When you're going to buy me that?
I have invested a lot of money in purchasing land and I've lost my hair also. Now still you want to buy more? Okay, I will buy.
Look, darling. You know one thing? Our neighbor is going to buy 20 acres in his wife's name, it seems. He is police. But your head, if he is able to buy 20 acres means, being a head, how you have to be? You're not even able to buy 5 acres for me, darling.
Please don't stand next to me like this. My mood is changing here.
Go, dear.
Whether you have done your business or not, I don't care. You know how to put up a shop at the corporation, right? Shouldn't we government employees get paid? Get off from me.
Sir,
Leave me. Hey, give it.
Useless fellows tagging money which I have kept from milk for my baby, no?
Do whatever you want, buddy, but
Sir,
get me
I
some
don't have money, sir.
Hand over the money then. You keep moving. Hey, what's your matter, dude? Hey, guys, come here. Sir, all the documents are right, sir. I know everything is there, but if you want the key, you gotta give me the money.
Only 400 rupees, sir.
Hey, give, man.
What, bro? Your father is doing as if he has lent money to them.
$100. Never mind, give him the keys. Sir, just keep the keys, sir. Yo, man. What are you guys up to?
Huh? Shooting all your vices in the camera.
And then?
If you listen to what I say, then I'll show this to mom and say that you're struggling such a lot. Or else, I'll show it to your senior officers.
Hey, bro. Sir, look here. I asked my wife to gift me a son. She gifted me a big headache. This fellow is planning to get me caught.
Leave it, sir. All children are like that. Concentrate on your job.
Hey, now tell me, what do you
I
want?
need money.
I can't spare a single penny for you. Get lost.
Don't lie to your own son, Pop. I know how much you collected today. Give me my share.
Huh? Your share? Is this your grandfather's property? Try standing here for 1 hour. Your entire body will burn off. Can't even take a restroom break. Only then you will understand. What are you looking at? What are you staring at? Between them and us, there is no big difference. They get the money after the vehicle stops, and we stop the vehicle and get the money.
But there is one difference.
What?
They are begging without the uniform and you are begging with the uniform.
It's a big mistake. You being my son is a big mistake.
That you should have thought 20 years back. Tomorrow is my birthday, 21 years. That's why I'm asking you money.
Celebrating your birthday should be with your own hard-earned money and not by threatening your father and whacking his hard-earned money. Let me also remind you one more thing. This uniform is the only thing that gives you your identity. Now, once I'm going to remove it, not even a single dog is going to wag its tail looking at you.
You won't change. You will never change. There is no point telling you. You should not see me forever. Your dad must have told you all this,
How
right?
do you know, bro?
All this I know, man. Even our mother tongue has had lot of changes. But our fathers have not changed their dialogue. They all look different but are all the same, man.
All fathers are like this dude. Thankless fellas. They behave as if they were born as fathers. We only gave them promotion, right? If only we were not born, they would have been ashamed as time went by.
Look, bro, if all our fathers consider us as their friends, then there is no point of us being friends. They are all like that. That's why we are like this.
Let us not waste time by talking about all these fellows. We should be celebrating this baby
Oh
elephant's
yeah,
birthday.
that's right. Birthday baby, give me your keys.
Why is he
We
asking
were all
key from
born
me?
to drink. So for your birthday, we'll definitely drink. You guys wait here, I'll come now.
Cheers!
Dad, I'm going to college.
Okay, dear. Go carefully. What a daughter I have who doesn't even look at the father's face while talking. I feel very happy. Very proud too. Hope nobody gets a daughter like this.
Look, dear,
Yes, sweetheart. Why do you call me?
son-in-law is doing job in IT.
Ah.
He needs only 5,000, but my sister needs 50,000, okay?
Sweetheart, I got married to you because you're looking beautiful. That doesn't mean I got to assist in settling all your other sisters. Your father is there, right? Why the hell is he... you're getting angry. No problem. It's also my responsibility, right? Sweetheart, where's the key?
Huh? See where you have kept.
Never drink like this, dude. Head is spinning. If you drink raw, this is what happens.
Keep quiet
Next
and
time
sleep.
onwards, we'll pour water, huh? Hey, bro. Can't find the key, man. Here, people are searching for the vehicles. You're searching for your key.
What? The vehicle is missing?
Yes, sir. Search in your pocket, Dad. Dude, show me
Hey.
your pocket.
Ah, check inside your pocket.
Hilton, it's inside your pocket. Just check it.
In my pocket? What's this? I see a receipt here. What, man? Nobody went for work or what? Vehicle is missing, sir. Vehicle is missing. What happened? My son's birthday has been celebrated by the head constable's son.
That's a good news, sir.
They celebrated after mortgaging it.
This is why I keep saying we should have daughters. They'll be faithful, not like these guys.
Whose birthday is it today?
Tell me in which pawn shop is he pledged to the vehicle?
One guy came here and said his father died. That's why he gave money.
His father has not died. His son has killed his father.
Huh?
The son has done a cold-blooded murder and has taken his vehicle along with him. And for that vehicle you have given money.
Oh my God.
No problem. Now your job is give about 25,000 rupees cash, and the vehicle's key should also be given to us. Whatever proof is there in the vehicle, we will destroy it completely.
Hey, don't think or you're going to repent.
What, man? Those guys are not listening to you, and he's also not listening to you. Okay, let's move to the court. The judge will listen to us.
Here, take your money. Take your money. Here, man.
Hey, Hilton, you should not take this money into our usual account. This is my son's hard-earned money.
Hey, listen to the list I'm going to read out now. The Wayside Hotel, Beauty Parlor, Massage Center, and the Bar and Club, Wine Shop, Real Estate Market, Licensed Lodge, Gambling, Drugs, including all these accounts we are supposed to get, and another 25,000 rupees we are supposed to get.
Hey, how come the news has come here before we reached?
Yeah, true. Scotland Yard police also should learn from our guy sitting here. You got it? You cannot hide your deeds so fast. Sir, what's up? Both of us actually. Eloped from home or what? Yes, sir. You one caste, she another caste, and the people at home didn't accept, right? First you will get out of the house and elope away, and then get into trouble later on. And then you put all the people around you in trouble. And then you request all of us to give you protection. Actually, you guys are the worst people than suicide bombers. At least they are only killing 10 people around them. The entire story ends there. But if you guys join together, 2 villages are being destroyed. Actually, it is my friend who told me that if you go to the police station, they'll get us married. What's your friend's name? Savior, sir. Savior. You'll also find one another guy roaming with him. They do the job of uniting couples all over the town. Both these guys should be remanded in police custody. How much money you have? Only 2,000, sir. Give it here. Sincere guy doing his job. Keep it and go home. After a few days, I'll come and meet you. You both need not go alone. Hey, you, get them on the bus right now. Within 15 days, I'll see what you guys are going to do. Be like good children. Go fast.
Hey, come here. Hey, Lady Constable.
We're not coming, sir.
Sir, please, sir.
Take this girl inside. Come on,
Please,
quick.
come. Come, I'm saying you now. Sir, go, get inside.
After seeing the sincere policeman, from Atlanta Police, at least 4 officers will salute him, I'm sure for that.
I only did the duty, na. Which responsibility
Please
is he
return back
referring?
the $1,000. That's what he's telling.
Ah.
Okay, what is the collection of this month?
Very dull. He has suffered loss
This
of
month collection
millions.
for me also is very low.
Oh, Almighty God, all our lives are in your hands. But my life is solely dependent on this police station. Long live the police department.
Hello, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
What's wrong? Crowd is missing? God knows. Hope they are all alive.
Sir, only 18 tokens are given off, sir.
What, dude? Crime rate is decreasing nowadays, or what? I doubt you're backing the tokens away.
No, sir. Without your knowledge, not even a single fly will fly here, sir. Token number 1. Hello, sir. I've given a complaint regarding my jewel robbery. It's been 1 month. Nothing happened so far, sir.
How would it work? Only if you put fuel will the vehicle run. How much can you give now? 100 rupees, sir. Alright, give me 10,000 bucks.
10,000.
Today your jewelry is worth 2.5 lakhs. Now if you're arguing for 10,000, you're not going to get it back.
Okay, sir.
Come back on the 5th.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Go.
8th of next month, 10th of next month, 15th of next month. All nonsense romance, there's a complaint. Keep moving, keep moving. Come back on the 20th. Keep moving. What, man? Didn't give him the token.
Sir, I came earlier. That time I kept a ration card here.
Oh, you're that guy. Give me 5,000.
Sir, it's not a new card, sir. It's my card.
Your card only 5,000. New card is free.
Sir, what is this, sir? Everything is contrasted to what you have written on the board.
The board is only free. My services are not free. In a month, how much do you spend for your civil supplies and domestic provisions?
1,000 rupees, sir.
How much does it cost outside?
8,000 rupees, sir.
For 2 months?
16,000 rupees,
No,
sir.
I'm asking for only 5,000, right? Cash in one hand, card in the other hand. You want the card or
I
not?
want, sir.
Then give the cash. If I give everything for free, you won't know the value of it. That's why I take money from you guys. Henceforth, keep everything safe. Now, take and leave. These documents are only used for 2 things. One for bail and the other for mortgage. This is our share and this is the department share.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
For
sir.
the boss itself, there is a delay of 5 minutes. But I get it so fast. All is the glory of
Welcome,
money.
welcome, Mr. Collection King. I was waiting for you for a very long time.
Whatever I give is going to be less for you. Please don't see the collection alone. Also, look at the pending cases.
Whatever case the public is bringing, I'm keeping it aside just for you, my dear. Otherwise, I will lose my collection.
Keep saying the same thing. Only the cash is moving forward. Case is not moving.
You don't worry about that, buddy.
I just told 2. You're asking for 3 now.
Hello. Hello, hello. Hey, this month it's your turn, right? You might have crossed me and come. Couldn't you inform me? I would have cleared it for you, right?
You forget that case. You first give me the money.
Keep looking at the connection only. Whatever you do, your hair is not going to grow back. All right. Look at the sincere guys doing their job. For this, you get your salary.
Wake up, wake him up.
Sir. Oh, it's you. The only place where I can sleep peacefully. That too you're not allowing.
He's a
huh?
sincere police officer.
Do you do night duty at home or what?
Why are you spoiling my mood of talking domestic affairs? Well, let us at least discuss some other topic.
Then why do you go to your second wife's home? There are many people like you.
Hey guys,
Hey, be careful, buddy.
catch him!
Hey, go get him. Get out, man. Get out.
Very good. Stop the vehicle.
Stop it.
Yeah, come out. Did you see? He was trying to escape. What did you think? You thought you can hit and run like that? Did you see this? Indicator and backlight, everything has been damaged. Take 2,000 rupees.
The wheel rim has got twisted.
Oh, is that so? Then 2,500. Yeah, give fast.
Don't have money, sir.
Oh my God, he doesn't have money, man. Then your vehicle will stay here. Give
Hey,
money.
you have a big extension at the back. That's a big offense, right? You know that, man?
That I didn't know. Vehicle will stay here. Block the traffic. Yeah, you call your owner, man. Hey, your boss. You call him. I'll talk to him. Yeah, call. I'm telling you to call. Go. He doesn't know who I am. Bro, I'll handle this. We'll get money from him for today evening. Oh, yeah, you're
Yeah,
here.
man, boss is in the line, sir.
This is not possible. Ask him to come in person.
Ask him
He
to
is
come
asking me
forward,
to talk to him on
come
phone. Hey, ask him to come, man.
Hi, ma'am.
What happened?
They are only creating a problem, ma'am.
Hey, excuse me. Come here. I asked you to bring the owner. Who is this?
She's only my boss, sir.
Excuse me.
Don't care who you are. These guys would have died actually in the accident. Your driver is drunk, I guess.
Hey, bro, just keep quiet. I'm sure you are a good person.
Look at this guy now. Previously he used to support us. Now he is totally supporting the girl only.
No, the driver told me that some local guys were making some
yeah,
problem.
you are right. Those people actually they ran away when they saw us.
Actually, she has no clue that he is one of the four loafers.
Do you have any function at home?
No, nothing like that. I do event management.
Oh.
This is my card.
Amrita Titus. Titus is your husband, right?
That's my dad's name.
Oh, it was your father's name.
What's your name?
I am Arun Kumar. We should also print some cards like this.
Dude, the way he's talking, I don't think we are going to get a party tonight.
Hey, I am already fixing my mind here.
What is this event management?
If at any place there's a function happening,
Ah,
A to Z, every work we will do.
is that so?
For example, let's say it's your marriage.
Ah.
The bride and groom simply has to come there.
Uh-huh.
From the starting till the end, we take care of
wow.
everything.
Do you guys also pay for the bride and the groom? Just a little cautious.
Hey, just keep quiet. I would like to tell you one thing. Without you, my marriage won't happen.
You just have to tell me the date. We'll make it very grand.
Whenever you're free, I will get married then.
Okay, I'm taking leave
Okay.
now.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
forget,
you can
okay?
go. Bye, bye.
Hey, just come outside, man. Hurry! Just come outside. Come here. Come here. You have to.
Don't hit me unnecessarily. I'll hit from the
Why?
police.
What are you going to
cannot-
do?
You cannot
What do you
actually
think you will do?
No, you
Huh?
cannot actually help me.
Give it,
I'll
get
go
here.
to the police station if you want.
What happened?
My son, my
What happened? Your son left you and went away. Just go there and give a written complaint. When he comes back, I'll
I
inform
will
you.
never get my son, sir.
Why?
My son has been shot to
Who
death.
had killed him?
Those devils have shot me to death.
What? Is it he? Tell me, man.
What, David? Any problem? Anything? We are there to help you, sir.
When have I murdered without expecting a remuneration? You'll get your due share. Get a signature from that old man. The rest my advocate will take care of.
Oh, Lord. My dear old man, please don't shout here unnecessarily and lose your health. I will arrange some huge amount of money for you and you can live your life peacefully. Probably you can start some business with that money.
Sir, no, I don't want money, sir. I need justice for
He
my
doesn't want money, is he
If he
mad?
doesn't want, leave it. We'll share it.
Ah,
I need justice, sir. Sir, none of you will be happy, sir. None of you will be happy. All will suffer. This is my curse, sir.
If we shoot 10 balloons, 1,000 rupees
Yes,
prize,
madam.
sir. Then I'll shoot. Okay, shoot. Wow, excellent. Shit. Okay, now you shoot. We will give you 1,000 rupees. Wow, excellent shot. He's so good at it. Yeah. Will you
you
be
keep
able
the
to do
cash.
it? How you're able to shoot?
That's my job.
Never do it.
Hey, we will come and collect it from you.
Today might be a good collection, right?
How's
What
collection
happened?
today? Huh? Hope everything
Still
is going fine.
no business.
Ah,
Often asking for money.
what
How
is-
can we
what are
get?
you people doing? Hey, here. What's all this?
Balloon shooting shop.
Hello. Actually, sir is trying to gift us a gun. Let us practice it now. Take your chance. You first shoot, bro.
Hey, bro, shooting balloons now, huh? Let's try shooting humans. Hey, what are you staring? Go and do your work. Go.
Hey,
Yes,
don't
sir.
you understand? Move here. Bro, why are you making a stand and then shoot? If we were asked to stand like this, would we have done that? We would have escaped out of fear. Ask him to run, then you shoot. Hey, run. Hey, I asked you to run.
You didn't get any other place to live?
My father is not well. He has to be given treatment in hospital for 6 months. That's why I've come here to get some income.
If you want to do business in this beach means you have to pay money for them. Better you go and meet David.
Who's it, David?
Hello?
Hey, hello. It's me, Arun Kumar.
Arun. Oh, that's you.
Oh yeah, I called you because in our quarters there is a good event happening. I was thinking if you could manage
Yeah,
it.
why not? That's what I do.
Yeah, 500 chairs for people, and then all the decorations needed, and then some snacks and tea biscuits.
It'll be ready, Arun.
And one more thing, how long will it take?
For all the items that you mentioned to send them, I'll need around 1.5 hours.
Yeah, that's alright, that's fine. You will come, right?
Of course, I'll definitely be there.
Yeah, that sounds great. I'll send you my address right away.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, go there, climb up. Yeah,
pass
take
it,
that,
pass it,
take
slowly,
that.
slowly, slowly.
Hey, handle it with care, man.
Keep it on that.
It's more than enough if you get 4 people like him.
Doctor said 3 days, but the lady lived on for 3 weeks.
Excuse me?
Hey.
Huh?
Why are these two talking to them? Yeah, you carry on. We'll manage this.
These boys don't
Hey,
have
hello.
Hey, hi.
I was
Hi,
thinking
come,
maybe
come.
you won't come. Hey, anyways, you have come at the right time. I'm so glad you came. Hey, why are you playing so slowly, man? Give it to me.
Hey, stop.
Yeah, Ananda, look there.
Slowly, keep it.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Leave her. Yeah, you can come. Yeah. No problem. Hey, Amrita. Hey, why are you getting angry for this?
Trusting you and coming here was my fault.
Hey, what are you saying? You came just because I called
Don't
you.
utter a word. You're a cheat. Do you know what event management even means? For someone who just loiters around the street, how would you know about event management? That day you made problems in the street. Today you called me home and you insulted me. If you simply want to waste your time, why do you want to insult my career?
What is so insulting in this? Every incident in life is an event. In fact, life itself is an event. You people call it positive and negative. By the way, in your visiting card, you didn't say you won't do this and that. When people are happy, it's not a big deal to be with them and be happy for them. When they are feeling really sad, that is when you should be with them. If I had told you that this was a funeral, you would not have come. This is also an event.
Is this marriage or funeral?
Did you hear that? You would have also asked this. Not just happiness, even sorrow has to be celebrated.
But we don't do such jobs.
Then you should start from now. In this day and age, if your father dies over here, you see the video in America and cry for him. In London, there was someone called Linda Thomas. She was a multi-millionaire. She left all her business just for this. Now all the time she does only this. The name of the person who died, his caste, his religion. She doesn't ask even one question. In the name of humanity, she understands their sorrows. We should also understand their loss. That is the biggest thing in this world. If our relatives or our friends leave us, there is no time for anyone to cry for them. When you call them and tell about the death, they ask you when are you taking the dead body. Everybody is that busy. In some days, you guys will be doing everything. From anyone's birth till their death, you will be managing all the events. You should be updated for that now.
Did you notice how our boys are working very vigorously in this situation? What do you say for that? Will your daughter be able to work in such type of condition or what? Tell me. If something happens to you tomorrow, then she will just sit in a corner and cry herself, that's it. This is why I told you boys are useful. Hope now you'll change your opinion. Leave it, buddy. Your mom is aged, that's why she's left us. Hold properly, guys. Slowly. Oh Lord, please bless his soul.
Thank you very much, son. Your friend's grandmother was given such a good funeral, son. As if she was your own grandmother. Thank you so much, son.
Hey, that's not a big thing. Give me that bill, no? Yeah, here you go. You haven't left out anything, right?
Oh my God!
What happened? Get some water. Yeah. Bring it fast. Hey, what happened? Wake up. What happened to you?
What happened to you, my dear friend? You were silent all this time?
Hey, there is nothing to faint like this. Just bring the money, man.
With this money, if I would have treated my mother, she would have lived for some more time.
This is the work that they have done.
Yeah,
Super
we'll do all
job.
this for free. Go, man.
Who made the calculations, bro? It's so perfect.
Yeah, all this I did. Yeah, give it to me. Yeah, thank you.
Businessman of the future.
Yeah, this is for you.
Why are you giving me all this money?
Hey, I was thinking this is really less. Anyway, you keep this. This is your money. I'm telling you, right? We have become business partners. Then why these formalities?
For the work that you and your friends did, why are you giving me money? Pay me only for the items that I got you.
Hey, no issues. I am telling you, right? We have become business partners right now. We will do bigger projects. Then I'll take money from you. You can go now.
Partner?
Yeah, you can go. Ah.
Thanks.
Yeah, okay. Next we'll do a bigger project, alright? Ah.
He's been waiting for a very long time. He's sitting there inside the car. Yes, Minister. You'll only call me when there is some trouble, right? The document has to be registered in my name. I'll take care of it, sir. The property is yours. Thank you, sir. Hey, stop here, stop here.
Yeah, all that is fine. You give that and
Okay,
come.
okay.
Come on, tell
Hey,
me.
you keep quiet, sir. Whenever you want money, you push me inside and then you put a case on me. And you take a lot of money from me. One day I'm going to put you in trouble. Just wait and see. All right, we also have proof against the charge sheet we have put on you. But now tell me, what is the proof that you have against us? You leave that for now, sir. Actually, what the law says is... You mean rules? You have to actually arrest me and take me to the court. And not keep me in jail. And this is a big crime from your end. I don't get a head and tail of what you're talking. I'll screw your bloody life, rascal. This bloody fellow is talking rules. In another 1 hour time, I'm going to take you to the court. Go and tell your rules in front of the magistrate there. Talking bloody rules in front of me. Dad, he's so much better than you. Keep the food here and you clear out from this place. Give me money, I'll leave. You have deposited money with me or what? Am I an ATM machine or what? You ask and I give you money. Don't give me all that excuses. You are taking money from everybody, right? You give me money.
Wow, too good. You had asked me, Hilton. You have to be very careful with these guys. They will not prosper at all. See the way how is he demanding things from you? Do you think he will look after you?
This is why I say girls are always better. You don't need to hear all this from them.
Sir, you should have actually given me the drugs which I had brought. You people are actually blocking it. Now I am actually have to run around with people to ask for money. They would have actually given me a good amount. Asking for his money and these people are talking. Bloody fellow, you are again talking rules with me.
Give him one on his head.
I'll teach you guys a lesson. I'm going to whack this pouch. What? One page is missing?
Hey, for that we have taken money, right?
Hey, you know our style of working, right? Then why are you asking him? Are you new to the station?
Hey, come here, man. Where's the packet I took from
You
this
kept
guy?
it there, just take it.
It's not here. I kept it somewhere here. Is it fallen down? What, man? I don't see the packet kept here.
Missing? Your son had brought food now. Till that time it was just here.
What? House is missing. Which means case is closed, huh? Now what will you guys do? Which means now I can escape. Hey, stop and stop and
Hey,
stop and
what happened?
Stop here, man.
Hey, what happened, man? Why did you ask me to stop here?
All that I'm not going to tell you. If you can wait, you wait, please.
Hey, I can't wait and all. You just come by yourself.
After
I'm going.
selling this stuff, I'll get so much of money. These fellas won't understand anything.
Listen, Hilton, your son had come here. He asked you money. You did not give him, so I have a doubt on him. Just give him a call and find out whether he's taken it.
Sir, my son is not a thief. Please
Hey,
bear it in
did I
mind.
tell you that he's a thief? I just told you to give him a call and find out whether he's taken it. Police department should have doubt on everyone.
Where are these drug vendors sitting?
Behind that auto.
What?
His phone is ringing, but he's not
Try
answering.
to call him again. Did he pick up?
He's not answering the call.
He will take only the heroin. He will not pick up the phone call.
Hello?
Yes. What?
Drugs, sir.
What drugs? You new to the locality or what?
No.
Don't you know where it is?
I have it with me, sir.
You have it or what? Sure.
This is original stuff, sir. I got it from my old friend.
How much?
40,000 rupees, sir.
I can't give you 40,000. Give you 20,000. Is it okay?
No, yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, take. Go.
Sir, he'll be with your son, sir. Please check and let me know.
Shit, man. Hello?
Yeah, hello, Daddy.
Hey, where are you now?
I'm near MG Road.
Actually, I just wanted to tell you, in our station we just have a small problem. One accused who had some heroin with him, we have just caught him and kept in the station.
Oh, I see.
Now suddenly when we saw the heroin from the station is missing.
Would he have taken it?
Within 1 hour, if we don't take that accused along with the heroin to the court, we will all lose our job, my dear son. Okay, tell me, where is your friend, that Hriday's son? He came here sometime before. His behavior was very unusual. I have a small doubt on him. If he has taken it, please somehow collect it from him and give it to us. We are in a very serious situation. Please don't play.
Yeah, okay, Dad. You just come to MG Road. I'll come with him over there.
Okay, my dear son, please collect it soon. We'll come there immediately.
Sir, what
We have to go to Maran Square now. Come, let's move.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, full 20,000.
Hey, where is the heroin?
Sold it. You got to know about
What
it.
did you do, man? Until our fathers are working in police, we have all the respect. You will lose that
What
also.
is the point in they wearing it or not wearing it?
Hey, where is he?
I sold it to him.
Hey, he sold you some heroin, right? Give that back.
What drug? I have not taken any drug
Hey,
from him.
that's not right. My father works in the
Oh,
police.
doesn't
You give it to
matter.
me.
I have given 20. Now you give 60 back.
Huh? That is not possible. Yeah, give it to me, man. Hey, give it. Huh.
Hey, take
Hey,
it.
give it now.
Hey, catch it.
Hey, catch him.
Catch him, man.
Huh.
Catch him, catch him.
Hey, stop
Hey,
there.
wait, man. Wait, man.
Hey, stop there, man. Hey, I'm telling you. Hey, just
Hey,
stop
catch
there.
him fast. He's running.
Hey. Hey, don't give it. Hey, don't throw it. Hey, stop that. Hey, give it to me. Hey.
Drugs.
Hey, bro, that is mine. Just give it to me.
Is
Hey,
it?
just give it to me, man. I am a son of the police officer.
Sir. Original, dude.
Hey, it'll become a big issue.
Take
Just
it
give
from
to
me, man.
You come. An outsider is hitting our man.
Who's the fellow? We should ask here.
Then somebody
Hey,
cannot come
who
and
is it?
simply hit
Who
our
is he?
person.
Who is the outsider? Huh?
This will become a habit.
Wait a
sir.
second, see.
Hey, I don't know, yeah.
No
Hey,
idea.
we'll check, yeah. Hey,
Who's that fellow? We should ask here. Hey, who
come.
is it? Who is he? Who is the outsider?
Hey, hide all your weapons here. Come here, sir.
Hi, my lord.
Is he a police or a priest? How come you here? Any serious matter from our end?
Nothing serious, David. He's my son.
Next to him, you see a small rotten buffalo. That's my bloody son. He came to the station to give me food. Asked me money. I said no.
He had come to our station sometime before and he has taken the heroin with him. We have to present the accused to the court today. The heroin packet is missing. We are afraid that we lose our job today. That's why I've come here.
Who took the cocaine from this guy? How many times have I told you not to deal with strangers? Give it! Here, take it, sir. And one more minute. Take this too. Share it among yourself.
My lord.
is horrible, man. You may leave, sir. Later I'll send
Come,
your
let's
son.
go to the court.
Everything happens with the grace of people like your father. All are my guys. What, man? You're cleaning and servicing all your weapons, huh? This guy killed in Trichy. This in the gate of the court itself. Here, now look at this guy. This guy killed in Madurai. Hey, this weapon is not sharp enough, dude. Be careful. Sir, why is this stuff rusted here? Hey, take this bloody thing and keep it inside. I don't want to see it. Whenever I take it outside, nothing happens bloody. These are the guys who have played a major role in my life. Hey, keep blessing me and always take care of me like you've always done. कल मैंने तेरे को एक काम बताया था ना, वो करने का है. जो कहाँ भी है उसको उठाने का. These guys can talk very nicely and pull off a crime. They look very innocent and therefore they can deceive anyone. That's why I only recruit people who look innocent. Hey, get 300 packs in 1 kilo.
What is this, brother? You are doing all this in public?
Hey, this is all my area. It is surrounded by all small hamlets with my own people. No one can enter here. Every day around 200 people are fed here. Only good food can keep you healthy, buddy. Only then you can knock down heads.
Sorry, Lady Amrita want to meet you, sir.
Ask her to come in.
Okay, sir.
I didn't give you this opportunity for the quotation that you have provided. It's because you came with a higher recommendation from your ma'am. That's why, on my personal risk, I am giving you this opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir.
We need a top-level celebrity. A heroine who is at the peak of her career. If somebody like that comes for this event would be perfectly successful, and that's what I feel.
This event will be as successful as you want it to be, sir.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my god, I have not seen chicks like this for a very long time.
Hi, please sit.
Thanks.
Oh, this is superb, yeah.
What will you order?
Whatever
nothing.
you order, I'll have, ma'am.
Hey, just shut up now. Hey, what is the matter? You asked me to come?
I have gotten an event now.
Ah.
They say they want a celebrity. Is there anybody you can arrange?
Hey, that's all what matters. I know all the big actresses in the industry. You don't have to worry at all. I'll bring someone for
Do
you.
they know you well?
Hey, it's not that funny. You just tell me whom do you want.
That is all up to you. Just bring a very good heroine.
I'll bring a superheroine for you. Program will be a success. And that's not all. We are business partners right now. I'll do it for you. All right then. Bye.
Hey, what are you guys laughing about, man? Tell us also so that we can also enjoy, na?
What, dude? Should I tell them? Shall I?
Hey, just keep quiet, man. Don't insult
Hey, in
me.
the morning in the coffee shop, you should have seen him actually bluffing.
Oh.
Hey, how is it possible, man? How are you able to talk so rhymingly? You know her, you know
Come
him,
on, man.
you know this guy, you know that guy. How is it possible?
Hey,
man?
stop it right there. What is wrong with you? I like that girl. When she asks me something, how can I say no?
Okay, now you've said. Now what are you trying to prove?
What will we do now? We should definitely get some heroine for the event. Or else we'll have to kidnap some heroine from a location and take her to the event.
So, you are prepared to get caught.
Hey, what are you saying here?
We have received the advance cash. Hey, based on the situation, you segregate and send them. Okay, sir. Hey, you guys come here. Do as what I said. Don't leave a stone unturned, okay? Sir, the college guys have come, sir. Come. He's the minister's son. He's the minister's son.
Hi,
This
sir.
girl is the secretary's daughter. Your
Yes,
father
sir.
then, yeah. Now itself started the election job.
Not like that, sir.
Hey, there's the balloon man. What are you doing here, man?
I want to see David, bro.
Now there is one more job left for us, sir. Okay, sir. Send the guys appropriately. I'll take care of it, sir. What are you looking at? Hey, still didn't leave or what? Sir, this is the balloon guy, sir. He's put up a stall on the beach. He wanted to meet boss. You are the guy? Yes, sir. Don't you know that you have to pay money for the stall you have put up?
I don't know.
If you don't know, try to know. Where are you from? North. Far north. You know Peter? If only he said he knew, I would have given him nicely. The person who we killed 2 years back. Hey, you gotta be careful, man. We don't know who comes for a revenge when. Okay, now why the hell did you come here for?
My father is not well. He has to be given treatment for 6 months. That's why I've come here to earn some income.
Hey, according to the rule here, nobody can put up a shop at the beach. You've got excuses like your father is not well. You can carry on with the shop, but give also $100 to the boys every day. Festival days it's different. Alright, go. So go and blow your balloon. I'll finish and call you. It's my marriage, sir. Where are you from? The neighboring village, sir. Not seen you ever. God bless you. Oh!
Evening. Today's breaking news. In India, last couple of years, the murders which have been done is only by the people who is doing for the money. This was accurately declined.
What are you going to do to control the rowdyism in town? Well, not able to comment on that. Are these gundas our state or outsiders? Who is controlling them? Is there any political backdrop? When are you trying to bring an end to all this gundaism?
What is the answer for this?
Yesterday evening, we had a meeting presided by the head of state. It was joined by all the top brass officials from our state. We are going to come to a conclusion very soon. Also, a couple of sensitive decisions were taken. A special squad is formed to control the gundaism here in the city, and that too very soon. And I'm sure this is going to control the nexus to a very great extent.
What is this, bro? We asked for tea.
My parents have given me a very good name. Why do you spoil that, guys? Now clearly tell me, what do you want me to
It
do?
doesn't matter what tea it is. It should be really tasty.
Go get one ginger tea. Hey, give me a cigarette, man.
Hey, it seems you are having good collection today.
No business today. All the tokens are here. Nobody has come. Did you see this news? A young girl and a boy actually eloped from town. Complaint is
Hey,
registered.
leave that, bro. Look at this. That brother, remember we met him? It's his birthday today.
How did I miss this? Hail our leader! Hey babe, hooray! 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 Hail our leader! Hey babe, hail our leader! Hey babe, hooray! Hail our leader! Hail our leader! Hey babe, hooray! Hail our leader! Today being the birthday of our beloved David sir, I am grateful for everyone who has gathered here. Please listen here. Sir's most trusted lieutenant will be given the honor here. Please come on to stage. Please.
Long live our dear
Next
brother!
person
Long
to be
live!
honored would be the person who controls the
Long live our
election
dear
here.
brother! Long
Hey,
live!
this guy. Next would be for the gentleman who actually is not scared of even the police.
Long live! Long live!
Hey, this guy.
Hello, brother.
Tell me, how are you, bro?
I called you to wish happy birthday.
Happy, thank you. Do one thing, get the boys and come to my area. You should not miss this party. We are all waiting here. Come here, fast.
Yeah, sure, brother. I'll definitely come. Many more happy returns of the day.
Thank you.
Yeah, give that garlic.
Give it.
This is
Thank
for
you.
you, brother.
Hey, give him all this drinks.
Very happy birthday, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, thank
Everything
you.
with your blessings.
Yeah. Where were you? I didn't see you, man.
Oh, yeah, madam is here. Yeah, come, sir, come. Welcome, madam. I am Arun Kumar. This is the owner of the mall.
Hi.
Hi.
And that is my partner.
Hi.
Welcome, madam.
Yeah, give that to me.
Okay.
Hey!
Priya,
Sir. Thank
I'm a
you.
big fan of yours. Thanks for coming.
Pleasure is mine. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
yeah,
madam.
please come.
Where's the building owner, man?
He will be there upstairs, sir.
It's true that case was there in the court, but judgment is come in favor of us. Do you want to see the legal papers?
Yes. One more matter.
You need not worry about David. I will take care. We have a very good...
7.5 lakh buildings in the city is under my control. Without my knowledge, nobody can sell it and nobody can buy it. And without my knowledge, if anybody tries to buy or sell it, no 1% here will live. And if you want to live, my 25% of the share should be given to me. And if you try to dodge me by saying this or that, I'll send you to hell. Money or life, you decide. Hey, keep a watch on him.
Hey, during the coming election, that minister's son and that MLA's son are contesting. I'm sure they'll create some problem. But whatever they do, we'll have to face it and win the election, okay? They will want us to withdraw from the election, but we should not. Till the election is over, we all should be together, okay?
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Wait! Don't run! Don't run!
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Hey!
Hey! Direction! Come!
Hey,
Not
don't
to
run.
leave you! We'll finish you! Hey, stay there!
Hey, don't run!
Hey!
Don't run!
Stay there! Come on!
Stop there!
Come on, guys! Let's catch him! Come on! We'll finish you!
Sir,
Hey, stay
police
there!
station?
Yes, it's a police station.
I'm calling from the local beach. One group of rowdies are chasing 4 boys along with big knives. Can you come now, sir?
May I know who's calling?
Sir, I'm running a balloon shooting shop at nearby beach.
Look after your business.
Hello.
What, David? Is there any problem?
Why? What happened?
Police station is under your control. Can't you have the local beach under your control?
What the hell are you talking? What happened?
Nothing serious. I just got an information that your guys are chasing 4 boys in the beach along with knives. Just now I got a call to the police station. If this information is passed on to somewhere else, you'll have a problem. Please tell your guys to take care.
Actually, who called you, sir?
Actually, I got a call from a local boy who's running a balloon shooting shop at beach.
Balloon shooting shop. What are you saying?
Brother, who are these people? Why are they standing on their knees?
Somebody has actually informed the police about me. I just wanted
Yeah,
to check
you
with this
should
dude.
wear all this.
Hey,
Only then the photo will be really
I'm not
colorful.
used to
Hey,
wearing
wear
all
this.
that.
Come on.
I'm not used to
Now
wearing
you
it.
are
I don't
looking
play cricket,
smashing. Hey, camera is ready, right?
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Come on,
let's
brother.
take a
Hold
photo.
this bat. Yeah, yeah, that's right.
I'm posing.
You can
Take a
now.
photo. Take like
super
this.
Pose. Wonderful. Yeah, now I'll also stand. Take one.
Print a very huge picture of mine and keep cutouts in the
Yeah,
railway
yeah,
station.
definitely.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm going to
okay.
come and see.
Doing
Yeah.
that.
Okay,
Bye,
thank
bye.
you.
You're
Thank
super,
you, thank you.
dear.
Bro,
What
these
is it?
guys are not answering,
You
bro.
tell me who called the police. You won't answer simply, huh? Tell me who said. I'm asking who called, right?
I was the one who told.
Hey! Hey, leave it! So it was you who informed the police about me, huh?
How dare
Hey!
you?
I'm talking to him, right? When 2 men are talking, why does a lady come in between?
A knife will be useful for man and woman equally. Mind that. Life will not come back. I want only their life. Kill him at
Hey!
once.
Which place are you from? He's from up north. His father is in the hospital. I only gave him permission to put up the balloon stall. How many times have I told you not to help people whom you do not know? Now you see what happened.
Bro, I didn't know that they were your people. Otherwise, I would not have given the call.
Just try doing once. Try it. Even the old lady in the opposite stall told me that his father is really in the hospital. Hey, if ever once more I happen to see you in this area, I'll come home and hit you. Go! Get lost!
Don't believe anyone,
Get
okay?
lost.
Chandrasekhar, a very sincere officer. There is not even a single failure in his operation. And no black mark on his name till date. The entire details about him is there in this file. Records are very clean. Oh, first posting at Madurai.
Yes, sir.
So, you were the rural SP at that time?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Sir. Thank you, sir. This file has got the details about David. Sorry, sir. In that report, the complete details about David has not been given. It will not be very useful to us. You mean to say that he is running a black government? Yes, sir. David is very close with politicians, business people, film industry, and the rail agents. In fact, he is a person who has started killing as a full-time job. I started following him for some time. He and his network is the only reason for the crimes behind happening in the city.
Oh my God! See how they did!
20 years before he killed someone at Manhattan for friendship. People have been killed for religion enmity. Killing was done for communal activities and for business enmity too. Due to political rivalry, a lot of people had been killed. This city is the only place where people had been killed for money. Today it's just spread like a virus, and the reason behind that is David alone. If David gets into some problem, he leaves to the sea immediately. After the problem is solved, then he comes back. So, not David alone. The entire network should be eradicated and I want complete freedom for that. Sure. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir, I have some doubt on our department officers. So I want to create my own team. Within 1 week, I will submit you entire details. Mr. Chandrasekhar, sir, CM is very sensible about this case. Don't bother about anybody. There will not be any interference in this. At any time, you can give me a call. Okay?
Sir.
I am Chandrasekhar, Inspector.
Gunashekhar, writer.
C.K. George, Constable. Gopal Swami, Constable. Paramasivam, Constable. Idey Raj, Constable.
Chitra, essay, sir.
I am not bothered about how you were working in the station before, but I keep certain rules and regulations of how a policeman should work, and you have to follow them. If you people are not able to follow it, then till I am at the station, you can take a medical leave and be at home. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Writer, you alone stay here. Sir? FIR book, FIR register, current register, progress register, office register, convict memorandum, and convict abstract, station's crime chart. All these details I want immediately.
I will give it to you by tomorrow, sir.
Why? Are you not maintaining the files?
We have all the files, sir, but the dust has to be cleaned, sir. I have a problem of dust allergy, sir.
It's just because of you police officers, the public does not have any respect on our police department. If we conduct physical fitness every year, half of you people have to go home. Go on and bring the files immediately.
Yes, sir.
Alben, all the best. Hey, please. A sincere police officer should not fall at anyone's feet. Wish you both a very happy married life.
Hey, sir, come here. Sit, man. Whatever the minister has asked, can you give it and go?
This is our ancestors' property.
That's what you're given money, right?
200 crores worth property. You're asking for 2 crores.
That's what those guys say. This is my rate.
Don't blackmail me, okay? I will see you in the court.
Hey, sit down, passport. What are you talking when sir is talking? Huh? Is commissioner bigger than David? Huh? Knife doesn't understand the commissioner, huh?
However you try, I will not give my ancestors' property. I'm sure that.
Hey, is wealth big or your life big? Minister, sir, I have sent the person who was greedy for wealth. Now you send me my due share of wealth.
You are having good collection today, huh? Where will you keep all this money?
50% of this is going to your father's only.
From that we are also getting, huh?
You can see these photographs.
Bro, this is the new inspector. Now tell me one thing very frankly, how is this new inspector? Is he going to adjust with all our dealings?
He is not like the person whom you think, my dear friend. You'll have to stop your activities for some days.
What do you mean stop my dealing? I have not seen inspectors. AC, DC, commissioner, you mean I don't have any experience with them. Whichever new person takes charge tries to act very rigid at the beginning. After which they become one among you. The difference is, this guy might ask a little more than you. But just see how I'm going to deal with him.
No, my dear friend, please listen to me. He is an encounter specialist, Mr. Chandrasekhar. We don't know who will be his prey, so you be careful.
What is he saying? Encounter specialist?
I think I have to shut shop for some days. What, man? Whacking from a person like me itself, huh? A deficit of 1,000 rupees in the collection? Just a minute. Boss, Constable son speaking. Tell me, dude.
Brother, I called you to tell something. Remember that day you had asked those balloon sellers to stand on their knees, right? One of them was a police officer, an encounter specialist. He took a lot of photos that day, right? In that photo, he was standing right behind us. That is where I saw him. Now I saw him in police uniform. I'm sure it's...
Is this true or false?
Okay, I'm cutting the call right now. Bye.
Hey, what's all this, man? In our area, a policeman is loitering around. What are you doing about it, man?
Hi, guys. It's a highly confidential assignment. DGP, Intelligence IG, Commissioner, Additional Commissioner, Joint Commissioner. Other than these officers, nobody know what is happening. We have to be successful. Sir, I'm sorry, Mr. Alvin. Just after 1 week of your marriage, I had to call you back for duty. I know your talent. That's why I need you. It's okay, sir. Alvin, good job. Thank you, sir. All these houses located in Maran Square belong to David. Whichever side we enter, we will not be able to know who is watching us at all. The moment we enter, the countdown should start. Just 5 minutes. 299 seconds we have to start firing. Total 3 actions. First, the entry. Second, David's area. And finally, the encounter. Okay? Phone. Is it from your house? Yes, sir. Explain the situation. Just make her understand that the police job is like this. Hi, I'll call you later. Alvin, please continue your conversation. Go. Yeah, tell me, dear. I will take care of that. I'm in an important meeting. We'll call you later. Bye. Early morning, 3 a.m. we have to be at spot. Surveillance job is yours. You have to reach the spot before the time. Please switch off your cell phone immediately. You have to contact me in this phone. Yes, sir. Keep it. Be alert. Where's your gun? Good. Go. Have it. You too. Henceforth, we have to contact in this. Okay? Yes, Alvin, tell me. Be careful. Sir Alvin Sudan, over. Sir Alvin Sudan, over. Yeah, Alvin. Sir, people movement here are more. This is not the right time to attack them, sir. It's better we can wait for some more time. I'll call you back later, sir. Over. What is the distance between you both? Approximately around 100 feet, sir. It's not safe. You have to maintain at least 200 meters distance. Okay, sir. Call me then. Alvin? Sir. Tell me. The people movement is very less now. I think David and his brother have gone to sleep now. Now you can come with our team and we can catch them, sir. I'm sure. Okay, Alvin. We'll be there. Okay, sir. Where's your gun? Check your bullets.
Already loaded, sir.
Good. Let's move on.
Don't do me anything. Please don't kill me. No.
I'm sorry, Mr. Alvin. Just after 1 week of your marriage, I had to call you for duty. I know your talent. That's why I need you. It's okay, sir.
Minister, sir.
Yes. Tell me, David.
What to say? Whenever you guys need us to do your election job and do your personal job, kidnapping and cheap rioting, you need people like me. Once you get the position, you complain to the police and get me trapped. If at all I'm taken to court, I will turn an approver.
They're going to finish him in 1 week. It's a CM order. That stupid fellow doesn't know that. How did the SMN news go in the YouTube? Sir, actually it was... I don't need your explanation. I'm sure there's one informer in your group itself. No, sir. There was no mistake in our team. We have lost a good officer. I'm taking responsibility for this failure. The first failure in my career. Alvin Soden. I left the station at 12:01 and the encounter was at 3 a.m. But we missed it. What was the reason? How did David get the news? I'm Inspector Shaker speaking. 96-001-0020. I want the call details for this number between 20th afternoon 12 p.m. and 21st morning 3 a.m. at the earliest.
Bro, Karna here.
Yes, brother. Tell me. Hey, it's brother.
I owe my life to you. If you wouldn't have told me, I would have been killed by now. You are my life. Even more than that. Whatever you want, you ask me. I am there.
Hey, come on, brother. This is not a big deal at all. Come on.
Catch him. I had left the station at 12 a.m. and you have called and informed David at 3 a.m. There was a call gone to his personal number from your number. How did you get to know about the encounter news? Tell me.
I didn't call, sir.
Rascal! Then tell me who spoke on the phone.
All my calls are recorded, sir. Please listen to it.
Just take it.
Brother, I called you to tell something. Remember that day you had asked those balloon sellers to stand on their knees, right? One of them was a police officer, an encounter specialist.
Who's Arun?
He is the head constable's son, sir.
You have to help us in Norway for our next operation. Otherwise, we'll finish you along with the rowdies.
Whatever you say, I'm going to listen, sir.
Sir, we will definitely cooperate with the operation. But one request, sir. This news should not go out at any cost, sir. The news will not go outside from the department. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, one more matter. This David should not escape, sir. I will take care of that.
In this city, I don't know anybody else other than you.
By the way, I also don't have anyone other than
What
you.
did you say?
Hey, nothing. You tell me, what were you saying?
I had mentioned that day about that trade center agreement.
Agreement. Oh, yeah, you told me about it.
That should be signed by this weekend.
Sure, we can do
They're
it.
asking for 25 lakhs. Will you be able to arrange that
What
money?
help can I do for this? Just 25 lakhs, huh? Yeah, definitely, I can do something. You just wanted to meet me, right?
Yeah, all that is true.
Just for this 25 lakhs, you wanted to see me. If you wanted 25 lakhs, you could have told me that in a phone call. You don't have to meet me for this. That's all.
Not just that. I also felt like seeing you.
Oh, there is another reason. And then it's okay.
If we do this event successfully together, our life will be settled.
Bro, Amrita needs 25 lakhs rupees for deposit. She needs it
Where are
urgently.
you going to go for that big amount?
All that I don't know. We should do something. I'm thinking of selling his kidney.
I have never seen you guys serious like this before.
What to do? Certain things happen and you become serious.
What's your problem? Everyone's problem I am clearing. Won't I be able to solve your problem? Tell me what.
Oh, then I'll tell you. I need 25 lakhs urgently. Will you give me? When I ask for money, he is laughing.
Just 25 lakhs, right? For this, you're feeling so desperate.
What are you saying?
I've got an awesome idea with me. Will you listen?
What is this super idea?
There is a case revolving around a property worth 200 crores. Either I can involve the local governing body or your fathers. Neither of them is going to pay me the commission. Now you know Karna very well, right?
Yeah, I
Then
know.
involve him and get it done.
For me to ask this to brother? Hey, that I can't do definitely. He is already tensed right now. I can't say
Hey,
this.
how long are you guys going to struggle like this in life? Try doing a big deal and settle down in life. Your commission itself will be 5 crores.
5 crores?
Huh?
Should I believe him or not? Huh? Yeah, alright, I'll talk to him once.
Hey, keep it slowly. It should be very heavy. Careful. Hello,
Hello, this is me, Arun Kumar.
David. One Arun wants to talk to you.
Oh, give. Yeah, tell me, bro, what's the matter?
Brother, it's about evacuating some people from a building.
Why all this right now, man?
That is because it's a good work, brother. I'm getting good commission also. If you try, it will definitely happen.
Which building are you talking about?
It's that mall in MG Road.
You mean MG Road building? Hey, dude, the building issue is settled once and for all. You won't have any more problems from now on. You send my commission through the boys I'm going to send. Okay, take care. If you scare the law, you cannot do your profession. If all our vehicles go together, the police may doubt us. You go that way.
Okay, bro.
Okay, bro. Hey, turn off the TV, yeah? This is Karna here. Yes, tell me, bro. Carefully listen to what I'm talking. Hey, bol man.
Hey, who's it, yeah?
Hey, brother is calling.
Talk.
Yeah, tell me, brother.
I have finished the deal that you have asked me to do.
Oh, is that so?
Just go there. The building's owner will be there. My commission and your commission, a total of 25 crores will be handed over to you. Take it and call me back immediately.
Yeah, okay, brother. Thank you.
Now he's going to meet the other guy. In another 1 hour, David will be in the city limits. What they're going to do from here on, I will be informing you in the next 1 hour. I'll be following them.
All right, I'll inform sir also.
Oh, yeah, he is here. Hey, we have been waiting for you for so long. By the way, you should not be late for such things. Alright.
Then comes your share. God knows what. Making fun of me, huh? Just wait and see how you're going to be dealt with.
David spoke and solved the building problem. This money is for him and your commission too. I hope you all are happy. Please inform this to Mr. David.
Alright then, see you.
You're
Bye.
welcome.
Hey bro, just come and lift this.
God knows if it is a Reserve Bank print or a Shivagasi print. Sir, Kanna has come into the city limits.
Yeah, brother, we got the money. We are coming.
3rd Avenue, 7th Cross Street.
Oh, near that park. Yeah, we'll come there.
Hello? It's me, dear. We are moving towards 3rd Avenue, 7th Cross Street. My friends are also with me. Where are you now, bro?
Yeah, we have reached the place where you wanted us to come.
When you come to St. Francis College, just give
Oh,
me a
you
call.
want us to come to the college? Yeah, we'll come there.
Hello, dear. We are almost moving away from 7th Cross Street. From there, we are going to come almost to the St. Francis College.
Brother, we are nearing the college right now.
Take a U-turn and come down the road.
Oh, you want us to come to your place? Alright, then we'll come to your place.
What, dude? I feel we are going to spend all the money on petrol itself. Alright, dude. Hey, you go straight away to Pondicherry. You also leave. Sir, David is actually moving from the BMW to another car. Mahindra Scorpio, sir.
Yeah, we are close to your place. Where else do you want us to come?
Come to Crystal Mall.
Yeah, alright then.
Sir, again, Karna's location is shown at Easier.
Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Make a call to Gerard.
Okay, sir.
Oh, shit.
His mobile is switched off, sir. Where is his address, bro?
This address? Ask someone else, man. Such a headache, these guys. Come, let's go.
Come. Dude, what are we going to do now, man? Feeling very scared, man.
Hey, we didn't know that these things will happen. We just thought that if this gets done, we'll get a good commission. But police officers will use us for encountering our own brother. We didn't know that.
If David feels that we are the party to Douglas's death,
Hey, that's never happening. Our brother definitely knows that I am not part of this. What do you guys want now? We have to make sure that brother is alright. We'll ask him now.
Who is that? Hello?
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 Yeah, it's me, Arun Kumar. I wanted to talk to brother.
You bloody bastard! Where you people are now? To give information only, you're just roaming in front of us, no? Stupid! You people have proved that you're faithless fellows. Where you all now? Whoever is responsible for his death, he will never leave you.
As a lawyer, what is your opinion about the recent encounter?
My opinion is, on the name of encounter, they have committed a brutal murder.
Do you think police department is involved in this?
The police really actually doesn't have right to kill the innocent citizens. They should be taken to the Human Rights Commission. Department's irresponsibility should also be taken very seriously, and also a petition is signed already to the High Court judge as of today, and let's wait and watch.
Since the police department has informed that they will have an encounter, people here are very much afraid about that. Let's see what is going to happen in the coming days. This is Prakash from CCTV for you. Bye-bye. Let's wait and watch. So, David was like a family member of yours. His name is not mentioned in your family card. Am I right?
Sir? Sir, why are you talking like this, sir? Actually, we are not those type of officers.
Since the culprits are behaving like this, we have to maintain law and order everywhere. Just answer to my question alone.
Sir, what is this, sir? Our children has done a mistake and you're calling us an inquiry as though we are a culprit, sir.
Are you accepting it? Are you accepting that your children has done the mistake? Then tell them to surrender.
How can they surrender, sir? For their fault only, they have been used as a bait and the culprits have been
Hey,
nabbed.
shut your mouth! Alvin Sudan. Do you know about that sincere police officer? Till yesterday he was there with me. But today is no more. He's been killed. His marriage happened just 1 week before. You're getting worried about your children like this? What will we give a reply to Alvin's parents? How will we answer to his wife? Wearing this uniform was his only dream. His aim. Wearing this uniform and doing good to the society, that was his only thought, but he was killed. But wearing the same uniform and doing all nonsense, you have given birth to 4 rogues to this society. The reason behind my operation failure is your children. The boys who are born along with the police blood, grown in a police family, they have been the reason for a police death also. I will not leave them. 24 hours time. If you people don't bring them to me and surrender, I will get there and arrest them. It will be a black mark for you. You can go. Get lost!
Yes, sir. What happened here? Guys, we were really disturbed that we could not find your people and we were searching all over the quarters and you are waiting at the terrace.
Dad, when I tried to call brother, that madam only picked a call. They are thinking that we are the reason behind their brother's encounter. I don't know what to do. I tried to tell them that we are not part of this, but she was telling that they will take revenge. I am really petrified.
That stupid lady spoke like that to you. You think you are like rose petals or what, to be cut and thrown into the sea? You are our sons. If they touch you, you know what's going to happen to them.
Hey, Hilton. Don't tell them something and make them also afraid. One side that inspector is giving us pressure, and other side David is giving us pressure. I think it's better we can go and meet David.
For what? For him to throw his temper on us?
Hey, he will not do anything to us. We will just explain to him that our children were not responsible for your brother's encounter. We will make him understand, that's it. All these years we were really helpful to him, right? So he'll definitely listen to us.
Okay, Dad. Then go ahead and tell him.
Listen, guys. We will somehow explain to David so that he changes his mind. But you people have one thing in your mind. Please do not go at that police station at all. Inspector will definitely catch you and put you inside.
नाराजनाद्रमाः गोविन्दाद्रमाः विष्णवे नमः मधुसूदनाद्रमाः त्रिविक्रमाद्रमाः वामनाद्रमाः ॐ मातृदेवताभ्यो नमः पितृदेवताभ्यो नमः.
Please immerse us in the sea water and come.
ॐ त्रयम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकं मृगवन्दनां मृत्योमुक्षयमामृताः.
My lord, it's really sad to see these things.
Not only the snake, but also the baby snake is venomous.
No, my lord, please don't tell like that. Actually, our children, they were not responsible at all for that encounter.
My brother cautioned me not to believe the sons of cops, but I didn't listen. I'll make you guys sit in the same place and perform the final rites for your sons. Sir, I have a small request for you, sir. So many murders, sir. Countless crimes that we have hidden from the department. Can't you please pardon us for this matter alone? Till date, I have received money for every crime I have done. But this is the first time that I'm going to pay money and then do a crime. Be ready to receive them in pieces. I'm going to send for them. bloody fellow, you have killed my brother!
I've called my friend who's at Ooty and informed about your matter. So he will take care of you guys. Somehow you have to reach that place.
I hope you have listened to whatever I have said, right? Only after I have called you, only then you have to come back. Okay?
Within some days, David will be killed by his enemies itself. Or he may die by police encounter too. I will call you immediately. After that, you guys can come. My friend is a military retired. He is a very strict person. So you have to adjust in all the situations, dear. Your life is very important to me.
There is only one way to control the crime in the city, that is encounter. Am I right, Chandrasekhar?
Sir David has killed 32 people till now. In that 4 were police officers, 2 were politicians, and 16 innocent citizens. There was no relationship between people who had died and David. It was done just for money.
Look, the courts are there to decide who's criminal and who's accused. Your job is just to file an FIR and produce the accused in court, not to shoot.
Ma'am, when we are doing our duty, there is no assurance for our life. But we are not bothered about that. When we don't have any option, we lift a gun.
Then you do one thing. Each of you carry a gun and start shooting each and every person you happen to meet. We will close the entire court and everybody will go home and take rest.
If shooting cleans the society, then there's nothing wrong shooting these people, sir. It's because of you people who talk stupid rules. There is a big jail which is built in our area.
Look, you are sitting in front of the Human Rights Commission. Mind it. You'll have to face the consequences of the Douglas murder.
Yes, sir. I know.
What do you know? Tell me, what do you know? You have killed a police officer and the building owner. So, you should have received an arrest warrant by now. But they are not able to touch you.
You have already filed a petition in the human rights.
Not
right?
that, Mr. David. That is not the reason why they have left you. They have some other plan.
You see, David, you got to be careful from now on. For a few days, just be away from the police department. Later on, we'll see.
What are you trying to say? Are you asking me to be scared? Karna has never been afraid of his life. Either I have to die in an encounter or in the hands of my enemies. Shouldn't be killed by a traitor. You take care of the police. I take care of the traitors.
What happened? You saw some bad dreams.
Blood!
Hey,
Sword!
hey, what are you doing?
David at last stabbed you!
Yeah, that is good. Even in your dream, I only get killed. You won't die or what? Come on, it's okay. We have reached, bro. Good morning. Colonel sir is there.
Colonel is inside. Please go and see him.
Why are you jumping to say that, man?
I've seen this guy somewhere else. There is no unity between police and military. I am a military retired. Your father is a policeman. I worked hard, but your father has never done that in his life. But still, he is my friend. What have you studied, guys?
We have finished our degree.
Your father has given all the details about you. You guys can stay here, but you should not be idle at all.
Sure, sir. Whatever you ask us to do, we'll do.
Fine, you can go and fresh up yourself. Once the bell rings, you can come here.
All right, sir.
Sir, those boys' mothers are standing there, sir.
Just 1 kg potatoes. Okay. Don't put spoiled one, okay?
Where is Arun? When your children and husbands do wrong, you are the people to correct them. You should not support these people. Please tell me. Men, they are not able to understand. Women, you should understand. I'm telling you for your good. Please tell me, where are they?
Both of them have gone for gambling, sir.
Do you know where those guys have gone now?
Our sons have not told where they went and what for they went. If husband give the respect only, then the children also will give respect to the mother.
Okay, can I have a cell number,
We
please?
sir don't know our children number, sir. First ask to distribute the money from the station, sir. Leaving that, you are just coming and asking questions with us, sir.
Shit.
These women will not change at all. Come, let's move.
Excuse me, where does Arun stay?
May I know who are you?
I'm Arun's friend.
How long do you know him?
I know him for 6 months.
What relationship you have?
He's my boyfriend.
Loving a criminal has become a fashion for you girls. Am I right?
Mind your words, sir. Arun is not a criminal. I know him very well.
Maybe he's a lover for you. But he's a criminal under the law. You know what activities he's done? How do you just see a man and start loving him? What is he? What is his background? Will he take care of me? Won't you think all these things? Why do you spoil your life like this?
Excuse me, sir. You don't have to guide me on whom I should love and whom I shouldn't love. Just like you said, you might be right. Arun might be a criminal. Fine. But because of that, my love won't be affected.
Okay. You can tell me where he is and you can leave.
I don't know, sir.
I believe your statement. The moment he calls you, pass on me the information. If you try to cheat the police, you'll have to face the consequences. You may go now.
You know what? Our military sir, I don't think he would have drunk these bottles. He would have taken bath with it.
Dude,
Yeah,
we should
that's
each drink one bottle. Otherwise, we cannot control this cold.
Yeah, that's true. I have heard that these military people always give a lot of booze to everyone. Yeah, come on, sir.
Sit down. Guys, is it very cold?
Yeah, correct, sir.
You guys can have a drink today. From tomorrow, you can adjust in this climate.
Oh, thanks to this.
Why is he pouring so little?
This will not even suffice us, man.
Eh? Is he really a military person or a bar attender, man? He is measuring all our pegs and what will we do drinking this much? Eh? Anyway, you don't want. Oh, at least this much we can have.
Did I say I won't drink?
Good morning, sir. For Alvin Sudhan's death, the government has given a compensation for his family. I should have come to your house and given this to you. I came here because you told me to come here.
All this cannot return my son alive. Please donate this to some orphanages. He didn't wear the uniform for money.
Who's there inside ICU?
My daughter-in-law is only lying inside.
What? What happened to her, sir?
My son actually died after 1 month of their marriage. My wife actually blamed her for all the mishap. She attempted suicide.
I hope nothing is serious.
The doctor says he won't survive. Now I'm not even worried even if she dies. At least she'll be saved from this rut.
Sir, what? Can I go inside?
Please come.
A sudden and unexpected death of your son. You're not able to digest it. So you're trying to put the blame on others. If you think such bad things happen to men because of women, nobody can live in this world. She's also lost her life. Think her as your daughter. And please give her a good future. Let her be happy. Alvin Sudhan is not your son alone, sir. Each police officer is your son. Please be brave. Sir, my son, just for money alone, my son has not won the police stress. Did you guys hear it? Good things are happening in the society just because of these kind of good-hearted souls. Remember that. Your children should change. They have to get punished for the mistake done. Department will not be responsible for anything.
Where is he?
Whom are you asking about?
The bloody traitor who revealed me to the police.
I don't
Your
know.
boyfriend.
I don't
Fellow
know.
who was always roaming around with
I
you.
really don't know.
You don't know? Hey! I'll chop your head off!
Hey, David! Listen to me. Calm down.
Asking me to be scared.
No, I'm asking you to be just calm. According to the situation now, even if we kill her, there is no point. All we need is those boys. Already the police has investigated on her. Even her number is being traced. With the help of that, they can trace your location and they can put an encounter to you.
What are you saying?
Yes, David. I have already signed a petition for you in the High Court. Within 1 week, you will get a positive judgment from there. Till then, please be patient, David.
Arun? How are you, Arun?
Yeah, I am fine, Amrita.
It's not that, Arun. If I had not asked you for any help, you could have been happy with your friends. All this happened because of me.
Why are you thinking about all that now? Don't worry. It'll all be fine. I am here for you, no?
Yes! I have got it. Now I know whom you are.
Karna speaking. Hey, I've come to Ooty. Now tell me, where should I come?
Just doing this work with you gives me a lot of happiness, Arun.
Amrita, you know what? Our friends are very much angry with you. They have come with us only because they want both of us to be together.
This guy is always behind romance
You're
only.
already very angry with me. Please don't increase that now.
Until you came here, the weather over here was really cold. But after you came, it feels like I have burnt 3 logs of wood. And now I am feeling really heated up. I am telling the truth.
Yeah, we are really feeling heated.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, stop. Just look there.
Hey, David has come, man.
Hey, run, Oh my God.
Don't look behind. Oh my God, don't look. Don't look behind.
Yo, come on, Amrita. Come fast. Guys, don't stop. Keep running. Yeah, fast. Guys, look over there. Let's go and hide there.
Buddy? Who's David? Hey! Why are you asking about him now? That David has come here, buddy. What? What are you telling? Where is our children? The moment our children saw them, they've left the place immediately.
Hey, bro. Can I make a phone call?
Okay, have it. Hey, unload fast.
Hello, who's this? It's me, father, your son. Hey, son, how are you? Are you okay?
Hey, just find out whether my son is next to him.
David has found out our location. We have moved and we don't know where we are. Beyond this, we cannot run anywhere, Dad. If you cannot save your own son, then what a cop are you?
What happened? Why are you crying, buddy?
He's asking, being a police, are you not able to take care of his son? Sir, nobody should be sentenced to death, sir. Death for death is not a solution, sir. Forgiveness is eternal. That's what great people have said, sir. Whatever we and our children have done is a mistake, sir. But for that, our children should die in the hands of the wicked man, sir. And will you be silently watching all this crime, sir?
Hey, why are you crying before this officer? What is the difference between this man and the David? Just like our children told, he is killing for the uniform and David is killing for the money.
Please save our children from the hands of the wicked man, sir.
Police should not fall at anyone's feet.
Sir, please don't talk about the dress always, sir. If officers like us are inside the dress, then alone it is a uniform. If you remove it and keep it aside, it is just a cloth, sir. The respect what you give for this dress, keep the same respect for us who wear it, sir. Even though we are police, they are our children, sir. Our children, sir. Our children, sir. Please, sir.
Ah. When other people were crying, you were not bothered about that. Now when your children got into a problem, you're crying, right? You guys were afraid of the rowdy and sent away your children. Are you not ashamed to tell that you're a police officer? Huh? Police son should not be a rogue. That is the only reason why I told you guys to surrender your children. Now you guys are talking about uniform? If you know the real value about the uniform, your children would not be like this. Go.
Leave that, bro. There is no point trusting our fathers for this. If they really wanted to help us, they wouldn't have asked us to come from there. Anyway, don't call anyone else and tell where we are. We just have to help ourselves. There is nobody else.
How long to run, dude? Now where do we go?
Bro, you need not worry at all. One Mr. Kuttan is here. He will definitely help you, don't worry. I know that Kuttan very well, so I will introduce you, don't worry.
Oh Lord Krishna, you are omnipresent and omnipotent. Wherever there is bribe and crime, there I am. Hail be to the police station. Hey, sweetie pie. Hey, sweetheart.
Guys, please get down. Can you see that shop? The godfather, Mr. Kuttan, whom I told you, he's there.
He is their godfather. He is not godfather. He is fraud father. Hello, sister. I need some milk. Sister, I need milk. What happened?
Here there is no milk, only hot tea. All of you have come searching for me, huh?
By the way, how did you end up in this place, huh?
What's your problem?
Yeah, we came here just to kill someone. Hey, that's you! You just left us to be killed over there and you came here and playing, huh? I'll kill you!
No! Actually, I didn't want to ditch you guys. Being tortured that way, anyone would have done the same thing I did.
Hey, go man.
Anyways, all this would have happened to you, bro. Now I am also sharing it with you.
All that is fine. We don't have even 5 rupees with us. Until all of this is resolved, you only should take care of us.
David has given a problem to us. He has demanded that we should not kill him by encounter. And with that demand, he has kidnapped Justice's grandson.
The boy has to be rescued somehow. The justice has requested so.
So David is still alive because the honorable judge. You know about that. He told killing innocent people just like animals will not come under human commission. If a rowdy kills a police officer, will it come under human commission? Is a police officer not a human being? He said encounter is a big crime, didn't he? Today his grandson was kidnapped, tomorrow he'll be kidnapped. Will he talk the same thing? Sir, if something happens to a police officer, then
Shekhar,
relax. Sorry, sir. Sir, we should not lose anyone from the department, sir. Sir, if I get an oral order from him to kill David, I will find out his grandson. Sir.
Commissioner sir's phone.
Hello? Did you get my grandson?
We will definitely save your grandson, don't worry, sir.
What should I do from my side? Please tell me immediately. If a Chief Justice family doesn't have protection, then what will happen to a common man? You please somehow try to catch the criminal and please get back my grandson alone, please.
Chandrasekhar. Yes, sir. I have spoken to the judge just now. He has given an oral order. You can carry on with your plan.
Just
sir.
have to protect him.
Go in your own way. I am there with you. Okay, sir. Karthik, you can release the judge's grandson and come to the spot. Hey, tell me where is David? Tell me, you rascal!
Sir, don't do anything to me, sir. I don't know anything.
Where is he now? Tell me the number.
Sir, I'll say it, sir. Lastly, he spoke from his native, sir.
Give me the number, quick!
Sir, 960007
Karthik, give me the phone. Shiva, one number has to be traced. 9600072222. Find out immediately which area is this number and give me the details immediately.
Sir, don't do anything to me, sir. Just leave me, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, hello?
There is actually a land deal for you.
Huh?
If you can help us, it would be very nice.
Give me my commission, I'm going to do anything for you. Somebody has come forward to get hoodwinked by me. Let me see the face of the great man. Hey, good morning, sir. Oh my God! Who has caught me now? I'm going to get caught. I know I'm going to get screwed in the
Hey, tell me. Hey, I say, na. Why are you crying?
So many
Hey, why are
knives
you
for a
crying?
simple person like me. Bring him this side.
Hey, get up. Sit down.
What do you do here?
I put a tea shop.
People from this place come and do business in our place. Huh? I just can't simply believe what you're saying. I had spotted you at the place where my brother was killed. Now tell me, what's your relation with the Sons of Cops?
It's just for commission I came with them. And it is only those greedy boys who actually complain to the police about you and not me, sir.
Where are they now?
Which area?
Sir, the signal has been cut off just before Nelson Bridge. Hey bro, he has brought David to this place.
Hey, be careful, guys. Hey, careful.
Cover that area.
Sir, stop. This is Nelson Bridge.
Subhash, surround this area completely.
Amrita, hey, don't go. Bro, what happened to you? Wake up. Hey, Amrita. Amrita, what happened to you? Hey. Take her from here. Just go.
Put the gun down immediately. I was waiting for this day alone.
Don't shoot. No.
Hey, are you afraid? Are you afraid of your death? Huh? You have done a lot of illegal activities. You have killed a lot of innocent people in your life. You have spoiled the children's life to degrading this entire society. For what? Just for some stupid politicians of this country. Do you know how many innocent people have died because of you? Do you know about their family? About the family's pain? Because of those good heart soul curse, you are in front of us now.
No.
People like you who have spoiled children's life will spread like a virus and destroy the society completely. You guys should not be left. Otherwise this will continue. People who come outside the country and create war against us, they can also be forgiven. But people like you who do anything for money should not be left in the society at all. Death is a penalty for crime. Kill him!
No.
I said kill him.
No.
Police blood is running in your body. Come on, kill him!
No. You're not supposed to shoot me. No shoot.
Today's headlines. The notorious criminal head David has been killed yesterday by the police. By knowing that David is in Kerala, the special force of Chandrasekhar has been following him to arrest. Police has surrounded him. David tried to escape from there. In the meanwhile, police has shot and killed him. This is how the encounter has been done. And David has been dead in the spot itself.
Alvin Sudran is not your only son, sir. Each and every police officer is your son.